Assalamualaikum class 8. Hope you are fine. Here I am your teacher Saima Aslam to teach you Oxford Modern English. Students, today we are going to read about the poem When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. But before starting, we will read about the poet of the poem. About the poet. Walt Whitman, his time of period was 1819 to 1892, worked as a journalist, a teacher, and a government clerk. His major work, Leaves of Grass, was a volume of poems that he kept adding to throughout his life. Kept adding mean to improve or increase, throughout mean from beginning to the end of time. We can say that he spent his most of life to increase or improve his volume of poems named as Leaves of Grass. His style broke away from conventional poetry. Conventional mean traditional means his poetry is different from the conventional style, and some of his poems seem very close to prose. Prose means written or spoken language in its ordinary forms. He wrote in free verse. Free verse mean a poetry that does not rhyme or have a regular rhyming scheme. Although he did not invent it, he is known as the father of free verse. Whitman continues to be one of the most influential American poets. Influential means powerful. Now, students, come on the topic When I Heard the Learned Astronomer. Dear students, it is a short narrative poem about learning against experiencing. It was first published in 1876. Whitman uses the examples of the astronomer to show the difference between academic learning and experiential learning. The speaker mean the poet, finds the astronomer's lecture about stars to be boring. He does not feel any sort of connection to the subject matter until he goes outside and sees the star for himself. The poet explained that true knowledge can be gained when we experience it. Now, students, I shall read the difficult words of the poem given under the heading of words to know. Our first word is astronomer. Astronomer means a scientist who studies stars, moons, planets, and other objects in space. Learned. Learned means highly educated or well educated, usually written as learned and pronounced with two syllables learned. Here it is pronounced as one syllable to reflect an ordinary person's way of speaking. Lecture. Uh, a lecture is a talk or presentation on a subject. Lecture room mean in the 19th century people often went to listen a talk by experts on a range of subjects. These were held in public rooms or in community halls. Dear students, lecture room is defined also as a room for delivering the lectures with seats. Mystical mean having fascination. Fascination mean liking. Proofs mean evidence that a mathematical equation is true. Students, it is our today's lecture, and if you feel any problem, come in the comment box. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.